I know enough about ferns to know that they really love water. And the soaker hose, is that the best way to go, or what about a regular irrigation system?
Well, you got a couple different ways to take care of your plants, particularly, as you said, ferns. Overhead watering systems are very good. They give a lot of water very quickly, but they do get the foliage wet. And sometimes you've got perennials which just don't like that. They'll get diseased. Something like the soaker hose is great because it just oozes along the whole length of the hose, and it lets that water out right at the root system, and that's great.
But should you leave it laying on top of the ground like this? I mean, it would look a lot better if it kind of disappeared
Yeah,
there.
I think it's a little bit ugly. So I would cover it with some mulch, but the main thing to remember about soaker hoses is because they're oozing the whole length of the hose, you got to realize it's not very durable. So you have to maintain a little bit, and they tend to last for a year, maybe two, but they can get nicked very easily, and you just got to stay on top of them.
Now, what about using a timer on this? You know, other irrigation systems have timers. Can you put some type of timer on this?
I think it's a great idea. Again, it's not a precise science, so just run it for a while, go and check different areas, put your finger in the soil and see if it's damp. And if you find some dry spots, well, you might just have to do some supplemental watering or run it for a little longer.